be installing the work light kit on the CAT UTV. This kit consists of wire connector kit, flat washer, rubber washer, nylon nut, connector kit, bracket which is already installed on the work light, cable gland, and a rubber seal. Please note this kit consists of 2 lights, so you'll get 2 of each of these. The tools required to perform this are a crescent wrench, 19mm wrench, and a 5mm Allen head in case you want to adjust the position of these lights. First thing we'll do is take our rubber connector, cover this, and run our wire connector kit through this gland. Make the connection to our connector kit and our work light. We'll route this through the bracket and pull snug. Next, we'll install this on the front or rear of the machine. To mount the lights in the rear machine, you'll need a light rail and a light rail harness, both of which we've already installed. We'll do this by placing our work light through the pre-drilled hole on our light rail. We'll slide a rubber washer and our flat washer along the exposed wires. We'll take our nut and do the same thing. We'll thread the nut onto the cable gland and tighten securely. Repeat for the other side. Next, we'll build our connector. With the light securely on the roof, now we'll put the connector kit on. Insert both wires to the connector. And place the wedge lock. With your work lights connected to your roof rail harness, the next step is to secure the harness to the roof rail with the cable tie. We'll repeat this for both sides. To install the work lights on the front of the machine, we'll need to drill a hole in the roof. To do this, we'll use a 1/2 inch drill bit. This has already been done on our machine. Repeat this for the left and right side of the machine. Once that's complete, you'll install your work light with the mount through the hole. Next, we'll secure this with our washers and the supplied nut. Once your work light's secure, move to the other side and repeat. With the light securely on the roof, now we'll put the connector kit on. Insert both wires to the connector. And place the wedge lock. Now that you have your wedge lock securely in place in your connector, you'll connect your connector to the overhead console harness. Make sure to check the labels on the harness to ensure you're connected to the right position. Place your switches through the overhead console. Connect to the harness. tuck all your wires behind your harness and securely mount your overhead console to the machine. This completes the installation of your lights. For more information on the CAT UTV, visit cat.com or your participating UTV CAT dealer.